Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of TechCover. Today in this video I just want to show you how to install Google TV to your MacBook. So if you just want to watch movies on Google TV, you can just do it here on your MacBook. How? You just have to open the browser and just type download BlueStacks. Once you got this application, just download it for your MacBook. Wait a few seconds. Once it has been downloaded, open to install it. And just click to continue to install the BlueStack to your MacBook. So we're going to click to install again. So we're going to enter the password of our MacBook. Then here you go, it's just running up the installation. Once it has been done, just close it. Then move to trash. Now what you're going to do, find out the applications from the Finder. Once you got the BlueStack, open it and wait a few seconds. Then you have to go on My Games. And here you have System Apps. Click to open and you will get the Play Store. Open it. And time to log in to our Gmail account. Sign in. And here you go, I'm just enter my Gmail account and I will just cut this part. And here you go, once I just signed my account, I'm just going to click on Not Now and time to search for Google TV. Type here Google TV. Once you got the result, just install it to your MacBook. And here you go. It just has been installed. Open it and enjoy your Google TV movies. This is all about how to install Google TV to your MacBook. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video to your friends if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends. Peace.